tonight we make a beef Wellington. I got the beef already. I prepare. I put salt and black pepper. And I got over here the pasta. What do you call this?
Puff pastry.
Puff pastry. And I saute the mushroom, little baby bella mushroom. I saute with a little shallot and butter. I got the oven on at 400 degrees. See, I changed it tonight, 400 degrees. Huh? Nice. Okay, now, I was put one egg. I want to put it with a brush on the top. After, I got my wine over here. You got to wait a little bit more. And now I got a little flour over here. And I want...
So why you not say salute chin chin to him?
Salute chin chin. Okay, salute chin chin before we start.
Brian, he says salute chin chin.
Salute chin chin everybody. Ah, salute. It's really good. Okay, I put a little flour on the top. Okay, now I turn the other side. And I put a little flour over here too.
Bill is making beef Wellington.
Beef. And I roll a little bit. All right, it's really nice. Now what I want to do, I'll put it like this.
Thank you for the star, Carmesita.
Thank you for the star. A salute, chin chin. A salute.
And Laura, thank you very much, guys.
Questa è Carmesita e Laura. Thank you.
How is everybody doing today? We have such a bad weather
Okay,
today.
now I cut this and a half. Okay. Now this is the parts I gotta use.
Thank you, Susie.
And now we gotta prepare the meat.
Thank you, Michelle.
Thank you to everybody. Thanks very much. We can start over here like this. Now this is the mushroom got sauté. I sauteed before because the mushroom gotta be cold. Sets out after when I put the pastry on the top. It's too hot, it's no good.
Ah, Tori, it's very cold. Thank you, Bill. Thank you for the star. It's really cold. Here we have rain all day long.
Thank you for the start, everybody.
It's day for soup then.
Okay. All right, now I put this over here. Quando mamma ti dà fatta. Okay, now we take it out the one and I put, maybe I gotta wait a minute. I want to roll a little bit more. I want to make a little bit more this way.
Lentil soup, really good.
C'è bisogno zingare fatti vina con c'è. Fatta mamma te io saccio meglio te. We cover?
No, you put garlic and mushroom or just shallots?
No, only shallot, no garlic.
Thank you, Jackie, for the stars.
Okay, now this, I do like this. Panari chine, tutte fraule giardine.
Chicken, yeah, it's really good.
Basta stocca bella.
Yeah, they working on the calendars, yes. Thank you, Tina, for the stars.
We put this right over here. I put like this, like, gotta be open.
Thank you, Kelly, for the stars.
Now, before I put over here, I was said before, I want to put a little drop of oil. It's all. And I got a brush over here.
Good. Chicken Vesuvio. We love that dish too. This is the filet, steak of filet.
Okay. All right. Now we put a little flour over here. Fatte mamma che io saccio meglio te. All right, a little more. Okay. Put this over here.
I know it looks like it's really hard to do it, but it's not.
And now we cover.
Now you can, Tina, you can try it and let us know. Thank you, Michelle, for the stars.
And now we cover.
Yes, puff pastry, yes.
Okay, now I put this parts over here.
It's from the parsley, no?
Yeah, a little parsley. Oh. Now I got one egg over here. I want to put a nice, I wanted to come a nice, beautiful color.
Thank you, Kathleen
Way, Marie.
and Jackie. Cabbage, potatoes, kielbasa, good. We have to make that too. So good.
Way, Marie.
Homemade horseradish is the best. Very strong. It's good for the sinuses.
Okay, you see how easy? It's really easy to do this. Now, this, I got the oven at 400 degrees. You gotta cook it for 25 minutes. After, we make a nice salad, and with this, and we show everybody what it look like. Salute chin chin, and this you gotta go in the oven now. Thank you very much for the start, and thank you very much for your support. Everybody like the way
Mushrooms.
I cook.
Billy said, how many cups of mushroom you have?
I told you the truth. You know, you cook a mushroom. I was putting the 5 cup glass over here, and look at what it come out. 2 tablespoons of mushroom and 5 cup. I don't know how many 5 cup I need for making the dinner. Okay. Thank you very much. And let's put this in the oven now. Okay.
Chicken piccata, really good too. Yeah, 400 degree.
Way Marie, way Marie.
Billy's laughing at you.
Why? Hey, you know, when you behold, more old you come and more dance you do. A little drink, it's really good for everybody. Salute, chin chin. Thank you very much for your support, and thank you for the star. And we see it again next time, but we see. No. Come on, dance with me. I want to see somebody maybe 15 or 20 years old dancing with me in some festival like that. And after you see what happened. When I was in Italy, my city, 2,500 people. When it was in the winter time, the snow, the rain, the lights, it was gone. and we have the wrecking play, and we wasn't do like this, zing, 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 and we wasn't dance. La, tango, tango argentino, and we wasn't dance, and the lights he was off for week and week. It never come out. Okay.
Bill is like 20 to 25 minutes in the oven.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. Thank you very much. And after we showed everybody what it looked like. Thank you again for your support and thank you very much for the stuff. Salute, chin chin. Let's drink a little wine. Like this, everybody will be so happy. Salute, chin chin. A salute.